this morning is Valentine's Day. I'm very excited for a chill night in, and I just wanted to film a little makeup time-lapse thing. This is my first time attempting it, so hopefully it goes well. And yeah, just chilling. Glad that I got up early this morning and had like a good solid over an hour to do stuff before work. I always have a much better day when I do that, though it is very rarely. So without further ado, here's my look for today. I think I'm just gonna go with natural hair, scrunch it up a bit, but I'm wearing this awesome kind of deconstructed vest that I got secondhand from Crossroads in Boulder, and it had the original tags on it, and it was marked as like $400 or something, and I think I paid 40 or 60 for it. And then underneath I'm just wearing this striped t-shirt that I purchased at Marshall's I think in early college. And then with all of that, let's see, a leather mini skirt that I also got secondhand from Buffalo Exchange. The Buffalo Exchange Annex, actually. Really good find for the Annex, if you've ever been there, if you live in Denver, the one on 13th. Usually, like, I feel like it's all of their reject stuff that they maybe wouldn't be able to sell in the actual Buffalo Exchange stores. Maybe their buyers bought it and maybe it wasn't the best decision, but this skirt is awesome and I'm very glad to have found it. So that is my Valentine's Day look.
And then we're gonna like, look guys. Okay, we'll see. So essentially, gonna do the initial roll. Like this. And then
Beautiful.
too bad, huh?
I can't believe we did so good. Look at that.
It's not too bad. Where should I put these guys?
Down the tube.
It'll be better once we cut it, too. You know what I mean?
Yay. Pretty. Happy Valentine's Day.
We don't have to. Learned a ton.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
What we learned is less rice, more stuff.
Yep.
Less stuff, Less rice, more stuff, more rice. Wonder if they charged us for the wasabi.
I don't think so. I don't think they have a way of charging for that, but that guy just hooked you up.
Maybe he did. Thanks, Whole Foods Sushi Man. Thanks for watching. That's how we made sushi. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe.